Listen, are you looking for a black network marketing company? You see, as it relates to injustice, a lot of times people don't look at the fact that some of the injustice exists due to economics. And economics is a area that is encompassed by a whole lot of things. You got to think about where you work at if you have a job. When you're doing your work, who are you making money for? What are they doing with the money that you help them make? So you have to think about injustice from a holistic angle. So a lot of times people think about boycotting or protesting or doing certain things, but you have to think about the things that lead to injustice and how you can have an effect just by pulling back your energy and efforts and determining, okay, I don't want to spend my money here. And when I make my money, I want to make my money in this way. So that being said, I know I asked, were you looking for a black network marketing company or just a black business in general to start in the form of a partnership that can work for you, your business model, as well as just your personal morals as an individual. So that's really what it's all about. It's not necessarily just about the money making aspect of it. Do you have principles for yourself? Do you have morals? Do you want to leave a legacy in a way that best fits you and the people that follow behind you when you're no longer here? Well, I think you might have stumbled on the right video at the right time. My name is Mr. Smith, point five of Mr. and Mrs. Smith. And I'm a financial educator. I'm also into music and things of that nature. But on this channel, my wife and I have been teaching financial literacy for some time now. We've been teaching people how to increase their cash flow, boost their credit score, make money from home, get, into investing just from a beginning standpoint that can propel them into further deeper forms of investments. And we've been doing this for quite some time now. And network marketing is a vehicle that we chose to use because it allowed us to have some type of leverage in the form of income, in the form of a network or a team of people all across the nation. So that being said, I just want to kind of give you an open door invite to the network marketing platform that we know and love and that is black owned and operated and definitely lives on principles, morals, and the well-being of humanity and people in general. And it's centered around financial literacy. I feel that this is a vehicle that can complement whatever it is that you're doing, whether you're an individual who has no business at all or whether you're a business and you just don't mind having another tool in your toolbox that can help you help your current clients or current customers a lot better. You might want to consider this one. Our platform is a personal financial success membership, and inside that personal financial success membership we teach financial literacy from a basic level that allows even the person who has a job only and nothing else to start increasing their cash flow. And once they increase their cash flow, they're able to take that additional cash flow, get out of debt. They're able to boost their credit because we have a system that teaches them that, and they're able to take that extra money that they're able to create during that process and invest. And if they want to speed up the process, or if they know other people who can benefit from those things, then they can share it with them and make money as well. So what we do is offer people income shifting memberships. We show people how to shift their income from the people or entities who are taking money away from them, whether that's taxes, whether that's too much interest when you're paying for debt, or whether that's you just not making income from your home and missing out on tax deductions that come from being a business owner, or you not understanding the basics or the simplicity of investing, or the people that you're connected to don't understand either of those things. So our vehicle, our platform allows you to get access to that type of knowledge so you can apply it into your own life, for one, but for two, empower someone else. The company that we partnered up with is called My Econ. My Econ is short for My Economy, because we believe that if you can control your own economy, you don't have to worry about the economy. And a lot of the injustice that's taking place is centered around economics. And once you understand that, and once you understand economics and powernomics and group economics, then you'll understand that this vehicle may be just what you're looking for. The membership, just to kind of verbally explain it, and you can get access to it by clicking the link. Very inexpensive. It's affordable to just about anybody who's serious about bettering their finances or making money from home or helping someone else do all of the things that I've listed. But you can get access to it by clicking on the link. But basically, the membership itself includes software. So if you're a business owner currently and you need some type of record keeping software that allows you to take pictures of your receipts, track your income, track your expenses, so when it's time to file taxes, you pay the least amount of taxes possible legally, then our system can help you in that area. If you need another form of income that you can use to help people better their finances in addition to what you're already doing, and we have a company that pays out every Friday and you're looking for that and you are okay with adding something like this to your toolbox, it can help you in that area as well. If you're interested in boosting your credit or know people who are interested in boosting their credit, we have a leverage DIY system. Many people are good at fixing credit or doing credit for people, but it's a lot of people who don't mind fixing their credit themselves. That said, if a person doesn't mind fixing their credit themselves, perfect. We have a system that takes them step by step by step, video tutorials, laws and things that people need to understand, as well as documents that they can print out, use, and mail. And people have been boosting their credit score like crazy using our simple system. Easily, that alone could cost $1,000, but we're giving people the whole system for less than $35 a month. Literally. So it's really a no-brainer because we're here to empower you as an entrepreneur, you as an individual, or you as just somebody who just feels that you want to have this in your toolbox to help people that you're connected to. So wherever you stand, we have a vehicle, we have a company that we feel will suit you well and suit the people that you're connected to well as well. And it's called My Econ. Short for My Economy, because we believe firmly if you can take control of your own economy, you don't have to worry about the economy. So that's my verbal explanation. If you're looking, then we open the doors to you. And once you get in, we'll connect you and see where it is that you are and how we can best assist you and what your next steps will be. If you have certain things specifically that you want to focus on, then we'll plug you into that. But definitely you will be embraced by us, myself, and just the company as a whole, because